My beautiful friends, welcome back to my cozy art space. This one is really special to me. I love flowers, and we are going to create a little girl holding a basket full of flowers. Let's start with a soft pencil sketch, just outlining the space of the girl, her basket, and the flowers. Her hands are gently holding the basket, and I'm adding some tiny flowers inside. Little details like these make the whole piece feel alive. Our art doesn't need to be perfect. It only needs to be full of heart. There is something really relaxing about this step, like whispering the story before it's told in color. I'm always open to try new things. Every experiment is a step into our creative journey. In my previous videos, I've always painted my clay arts using acrylic paints. But today I'm going to try something new: alcohol ink pens. I've been curious to see how they work on the clay, and let's find out together. I'm starting with the fresh green for the leaves, adding small curved stroke to make them look natural and light. You can blend the shades gently, just like watercolor, and it gives such a dreamy finish. Next, it's time for the flowers. I'm using pink, yellow, blue and green, mixing a few together so each flower feels unique. I have to say, the alcohol ink adds this delicate glow that's so different from acrylic. The colors are soft but very shiny and bright. I love how smoothly they glide on the clay. When the paint fully dries, I'm going to add a coat of varnish to protect it and give it an extra shine. It would make such a sweet handmade gift for yourself or for someone you love. Now let's paint the basket. I'm using with the warm orange shade. It brings such a cozy feeling, like sunlight on a late afternoon. I'll layer the color safely, adding darker tone around the edge of the depth. Now let's paint our girl. I'm painting the girl's hair using brown tone. I love how the alcohol ink settles, leaving little highlights that looks like natural. Then I move to her shirt. I'm going to do blue and white. The contrast between the cool tones and the warm basket feels so peaceful. And why not? On her shoulder, she has a little red bag. Such a cheerful pop of color. It balances everything beautifully. Now it's time for my favorite part, the tiny details of her face. Take a deep breath, smile, and remember, every time you create, you're spreading a little more kindness into the world. With the fine liner pen, I draw her eyes, her eyebrow, and a little smile. Just a few lines, yet it changes everything. Then, using alcohol ink pen again, I add soft pink cheeks for her. It instantly gives her warmth and life, like she's glowing with happiness. Thank you so much for spending this peaceful time with me. I really hope you enjoy this little clay art session with me. I hope I see you in my next video. Until then, stay safe and see you.